Rosemary oil is a lovely gift from nature for our hair. It's full of goodness that can make your traces healthy and happy. Rosemary essential oil for hair is majorly known for boosting hair growth and doing away with dull hair. In today's polluted environment and fast-paced lifestyle, issues like free radical damage and dryness due to sun exposure and bad lifestyle choices are what we need to deal with. And that's where this oil can help you. Rosemary oil for centuries has been known as an effective healing herb. It is also used in cooking. Its heritage can be tracked back to the Mediterranean regions where it has been used as a medicine for a long time. Available mostly in the essential oil form, it can be used for various purposes and not just as a cooking ingredient or as a herb. It is also known to boost skin health and hair health. In fact, rosemary essential oil for hair growth is one remedy that has skipped the attention of many for long. So, let's unveil the wonders of rosemary oil for our hair. Rosemary oil, when used along with another carrier oil, is known to add luster to hair. It also works effectively towards promoting hair growth and makes the scalp healthier. Rosemary oil's high nutritional value makes it an excellent product for nourishing and promoting the growth of thick and healthy hair and soothing inflamed scalps. Rosemary oil stimulates the hair follicle, causing each hair strand to grow longer and stronger. Simply massaging a teensy amount of rosemary oil mixed with any carrier oil such as coconut oil or almond oil on your scalp can give you lustrous traces. Rosemary oil is your best friend when it comes to tackling extreme hair loss, unclogging hair follicles, and stimulating blood circulation in the scalp. Inflammation can affect your hair adversely as allergens and pollutants can get accumulated in your scalp and stunts its growth, among other things. Using rosemary oil for hair is great because it is antifungal in nature and not only soothes inflammation but also gives strength to hair follicles. Using rosemary oil for hair is especially beneficial if you have split ends. This is known to repair your hair and make it stronger, thus getting rid of unhealthy split ends over time. Rosemary oil makes hair grow by boosting scalp blood flow. Better blood flow means more food for hair follicles, thus helping hair grow. More blood flow keeps hair follicles active for new growth too. DHT is a hormone that can cause hair loss by making hair follicles shrink. Rosemary oil may stop DHT from doing this. A study found that rosemary oil works as minoxidil for treating pattern baldness too. Adding rosemary oil to your hair routine is very simple. You can just add few drops of rosemary oil to your favorite hair mask or add a few drops to your regular hair oil and oil your hair. This much is sufficient to boost your hair growth. Now let's understand few basic and very important things about this oil. Rosemary essential oil is extremely beneficial for your hair. However, it should never be used directly. Rosemary oil should always be used as an essential oil and only a few drops should be added to your carrier oil. The reason is that this oil is extremely potent in nature and if it is applied directly on your hair, there is a possibility that it can cause burns or it can damage your hair. If you're a pregnant or breastfeeding woman, you may use rosemary essential oil but only after consulting with your doctor because there is a possibility that you might suffer from certain sensitivities that may get aggravated due to the use of essential oils. So, use it only after asking your doctor if it is safe for you. Before you put rosemary oil on your scalp, it is advised that you do a patch test. Apply a dab of mixed rosemary oil on a small area of the skin. Wait for 24 hours, look for any skin problems or allergies. If you don't notice any kind of an allergy or any kind of an irritation, then you're good to go. You can go ahead and start using rosemary oil to beautify your hair. Who knew that a simple herb from your kitchen could be a hair hero? Rosemary oil sure is one. With its splendid talents for hair growth, halting hair loss, perking up scalp circulation, beating dandruff, and giving you those silky strands. Don't you think you should give it a try? Just use it safely and blend it well to avoid any side effects. You can apply it on your scalp, mix it with your hair products, or make a DIY rinse. The magic of rosemary oil awaits you. If you find this video informative or you got to know something new, then don't forget to hit that like button. For more such videos on health and self-care, subscribe to my channel RiVaa Foodz. Take good care of yourself, stay away from junk food, and I will see you in the next one at RiVaa Foodz.